How to block someone on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You'll land to the For You page. Now at the top right corner, you'll find the search icon. Click on it. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the username of the person whom you want to block. Now head towards the profile of that person. Once you land to the profile of that person, at the top right corner, you'll find this arrow icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of block. If you block someone, they will not be able to send you messages, see your post, or find your profile. This does not include extended scenarios like multi-host live streams, dude posted by others, or group chats you both participate in. They will not be notified that you blocked them. Click on this option of block. With that, I have just blocked this person. By applying the same process, you are able to block anyone in your TikTok account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily block someone on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.